Hi, Gareth here from Port Monkeys, and we are on the Carnival Radiance today. And this is Deck 9 aft. That's the ocean down there. See that in the back of the ship. So we're just gonna walk forward on Deck 9 and then maybe go up to 10, 11, and 12, and 14. You should know the pizza place is over there, free pizza. I've not seen it open yet, but I've not been here in the afternoon other than to get Shaq's big chicken, bok bok. And he's got some delicious chicken here. Trust me, it's great. He also has a menu and himself. Now we're going into the marketplace, the Lido Marketplace, which is the ship's buffet. So it's a beehive of activity in here, and I don't think they have enough seating for the number of passengers the ship can hold. We're on the starboard side, but right now we're going to cross over to port so you can get a look at it. And I'm going to slow down a little. That's an omelet station. You make your own omelet. Scrambled eggs, eggs Benedict, although that's salmon Benedict. Potatoes, that guy. Ham, sausage. Soft-boiled eggs, maybe? As you're going to see in a moment, that guy's in his robe. But as you're going to see, whoa, bread, that's the end of it. So we walk in over there, and it ends right here. This is the deli. I think they open at 11. Of course, they have all that food, and it's included. It's free. Don't be afraid. Now we're heading out to the pool area on Deck 9. So, ice cream machines here, ice cream machines on the other side, coffee machines here. Mexican-inspired tables and decor. This would be the Blue Iguana Cantina. So in the morning, it's breakfast burritos. Hi.
Hi, good morning.
Hey, the bosses.
The small bosses.
Looks ship shape. Condiments. They always have watermelon here. So this is the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. Right? Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. And that's of course the pool, the main pool we'll call it. And they're playing music out here pretty loudly. So I'm gonna have to talk non-stop really loud. But up there's the water slides, the Carnival Waterworks. Serenity is way up there. Maybe we'll stop up there. This is the Red Frog Rum Bar. Of course there's a Red Frog pub down several decks. And then one of my favorite places on board, Guy's Burger Joint, who's not open yet, but there would be all sorts of condiments out here and fixins and the greatest hamburgers ever. Thank you, Guy Fieri. So buffet is back there. So let's head up. Check the time. Okay, we're good. So this ship was built in 2000 originally as the Carnival Victory, and then in 2020 they supposedly spent $200 million making it into the Carnival Radiance, adding the water slides and other things. Part of it looks 20 years old though, so I just want to say that. But this is the end of the Twister water slide, and that's the end of the Aqua Tunnel water slide. So you can see those pretty well. And then of course this is the kids' play area, but everything's closed today. Let's go up a little further. There are several ways to get up. That leads you back inside to the stairs and the elevators. There's, oh, I'm getting splashed. There's a stairway up there. You could go up that way and go up. This depends on what floats your boat. If your boat's a Carnival Radiance. So I like to make this, when I do this, seamless. So I'm not pausing while I climb these stairs for the third time today. So here it is. So that was deck 11, 10, where the waterworks are, 9 where the pool is, and this is deck 12. Serenity, adults only. And I'm actually going to go up one more. Down here, it's only on this side. The kids area is on the other side, believe it or not. So you put the kids only area next to the adults only area. And here it is. Got a hot tub. Got these couches, lounge chairs, thick padded. No children. I've had people come and say, oh, is it okay if Jimmy comes up? No, it's not. Anyway, 3 clamshells, that's all they have, 3. But they do have those couch things. So, you know. So that's it. That's the upper decks of the Carnival Radiance. In the back they have a ropes course, basketball. Well, let's not make it seamless. Let's go back there.